English to Galician. May I equals.
Puedo.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, good to have you here. Let's make polite Galician feel easy and fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus drills. Today you'll master the permission phrase.
Puedo.
So you can ask smoothly anywhere. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for permission like a local. Your goal. Confidently use.
Puedo.
To ask may I. In any situation, think of.
Puedo.
As a polite key that unlocks every door. Contrast tip.
Debo.
Means must I, not may I. Forms you need. Let's get the core forms on your tongue. I may, equals.
Puedo.
Could I, softer, equals.
Podería.
May we, equals.
Podemos.
May I come in, equals.
Puedo entrar.
May I sit, equals.
Puedo sentar.
Not permission, must I, equals.
Debo.
Mini dialogues. Listen, imagine it, then repeat out loud after the pause. At the door, you whisper.
Puedo. Entrar.
A friendly nod invites you in. In class, hand up, you ask.
Puedo. Facer una pregunta.
The teacher smiles, go ahead. At a cafe, you point to the chair.
Puedo. Sentar. Aquí.
Of course, enjoy. Library moment, you whisper.
Puedo. Coger este libro.
Approved with a smile. Drill and rhythm. Time to groove the phrase into your memory. Beat it in. Clap, ho, clap, do, say.
Puedo.
Call and response. I say may I, you say.
Puedo.
Ready? Go. Rhyme. If I don't know, I ask with glow.
Puedo.
Before I go. Humor break. A pea pod walks into a cafe and asks, I'm a pod.
Puedo. Tomar un café.
Culture tip. Santiago. Politeness opens doors and camera shutters. In Santiago de Compostela, tourists often ask locals.
Puedo. Facer una foto.
Or.
Puedo. Sacar una foto.
You'll notice how often a smile follows.
Puedo.
Whisper it like a little spell and doors unlock.
Puedo.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after the pause. How do you ask politely in Galician, may I? Answer.
Puedo.
Shop. May I try this? Answer.
Puedo. Probar. Isto.
Softer style. Could I? Answer.
Podería.
Plural. May we? Answer.
Podemos.
Which one means must I? Answer.
Debo.
Your turn. Micro challenge. Use it 3 times today. Tiny reps, big gains. At your door handle, imagine a sticker that says.
Puedo.
Touch it before entering and say.
Puedo entrar.
Ask a friend. May I use your pen? Say.
Puedo. Usar o teu bolígrafo.
2 bonus variants. Childlike fun.
Puedo. Jogar.
Work vibe.
Puedo. Sair antes.
Group plan.
Podemos. Sentar. Aquí.
Or go extra polite with.
Podería.
Thanks and goodbye. Nice work, your politeness power just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Puedo. Podría.
And
Podemos.
wherever you go. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, drills, and extras. See you next time.